TMC MPs protested outside the parliament near the Gandhi statue against
गुंडाबाजी इंडियन पार्लियामेंट में नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा। नरेंद्र मोदी हाय हाय हाय, नरेंद्र मोदी हाय हाय हाय।
Yes, as you can see, the TMC MPs there protesting vociferously outside the parliament near the Gandhi statue against alleged BJP MPs' misbehavior. Let's listen in to some of those reactions.
वापस लो। ये रेल बजट में बंगाल को वंचित किया गया है। बंगाल के लिए एक भी प्रोजेक्ट नहीं किया गया है और उसके अलावा भी रेल बजट में ऐसा कह गया है कि प्राइवेटाइजेशन ज्यादा होगा और प्राइवेट कंपनी का नाम लेके बजट बनाया है। हम इसके खिलाफ शांतिपूर्ण तरीका से नाराजगी जता रहे हैं। बहुत दुखद घटना है। संसद में हमारा हक है हमारे नाराजगी जताने का, हम वही कर रहे थे, लेकिन बीजेपी के माननीय सांसदों ने हमारे पे हमला किया, धक्का दिया, गाली दिया। हमारे नेत्री ममता बनर्जी को भी बुरी तरह गाली दिया। ये बहुत दुखद घटना है, हम इसके लिए नाराजगी जताएंगे।
Because about rail budget, we don't accept this budget. And second one incident which happened yesterday. That's it.
Right, there you heard it. There are two reasons why they are protesting, primarily because of the neglect of Bengal, as one of the MPs was putting it, and also because of the large-scale privatization that TMC...
रेलवे बजट वापस करो, वापस करो, वापस करो। रेलवे बजट वापस करो, वापस करो, वापस करो। मोदी का रेल, मोदी का मेल, मोदी का रेल।
Bilal is joining us for more. Bilal, you know, we can see angry protests there. The issue is obviously not going to end with that scuffle in Parliament. It seems TMC is now staging a massive protest.
Yes, of course, the TMC, in fact, since yesterday, they're just continuing from where they left yesterday. The idea is very simple. It's very straightforward. The strategy is to keep the TMC within the forefront, keep them on the center stage against the BJP. Remember, since yesterday, immediately after the railway budget, they have been protesting that, one, there is nothing there for the state of Bengal. So they're saying that people of Bengal have been neglected. That's something that will play for the TMC, especially locally addressing their audience. At the same time, they're also trying to really make a larger point here. Yesterday, the entire allegation was against the BJP MPs. In fact, they were going to the extent of saying that they were insensitive towards women MPs, and also there were allegations that some of the MPs were there in inebriated condition. Now, that's something that is being inquired upon. The Speaker's offices, of course, come into the play, and we'll have to really see what has happened there yesterday during that incident, after which we saw senior leaders of the TMC, including Kalyan Banerjee and many others, coming out and staging a protest. But today, this morning, the fact that they are continuing with the same momentum, the idea is very simple. They want to make sure that they occupy the center stage as the party in opposition, and they want to take on the BJP. We'll have to really see how this really plays out in the longer run. There are some smaller elements that are also important. The MPs from the Aam Aadmi Party are also with the TMC there.